Nothing is impossible. 5-in-1 multifunction welding machine. It integrates 5 functions: cut, TIG, MIG, cold, MMA to meet daily cutting and welding needs. An external air compressor is required, which can cut 3mm galvanized sheets quickly, with small cutting openings and nose-like inclusion. 8mm iron sheet cutting is stable, and the surface is smooth and flat without burrs. 1.5mm stainless steel spot welding, stable and uninterrupted arc starting, and the welding process is fuller with concentrated heat. Pulse welding of 3mm stainless steel improves work efficiency, with uniform solder joints and small deformation. Flux MIG is suitable for outdoor thin plate welding, with form welding bead, no porosity and cracks. Mixed MIG is suitable for indoor welding of thick plates with beautiful appearance and no welding slag. 0.8mm stainless steel spot welding, no deformation or discoloration, silver white surface without pores. 1.5mm stainless steel is welded quickly, with uniform solder joints and little thermal influence. The surface is smooth and the weld bead is flat. Manual welding is easy to start and keep arcing. It is suitable for welding with various welding rods of 2.5 and 3.2 specifications. It has the function of VRD anti-leakage protection, which is safer to use. 0 to 9 groups of storage channels, storing frequently used parameters for easy recall next time. You can easily take it away when you get out to work. Andeli welding machine, a new era of intelligent welding.